Welcome to another episode of Miami Fine Living. On this channel, you'll find information about everything you need to know before moving to South Florida. I will be exploring what's it like to live here. We'll talk about schools, things to do, restaurants, shopping, and everything in between. So stay tuned until the end, and you'll learn what's it like to be in Boca Raton. Welcome to Boca Raton, a city that seamlessly blends luxury, culture, and coastal beauty. Our journey begins at the heart of this vibrant community, Mizner Park. Envision strolling through palm-lined avenues, exploring upscale boutiques, unique art galleries, and savoring al fresco dining. Boca Raton was founded in 1924, and originally it was just one word. And it's split in two words, Boca Raton, that translates from Spanish as red mouth. That refers to jagged stones on Atlantic shore. In late 1920s, it was developed into Mediterranean resort by Edison Mizner. It became more and more popular over the years, and now it's attracting people from all over the world, from IT technicians to retirees, millionaires, working class families, and this become the trendy neighborhood that bringing people every single day. Next, we visit the Gamba Limba Nature Center, a true gem of Boca Raton. Nested along the coast, this center offers a glimpse into the local ecosystem. With broad walks through the tropical hardwood hammocks, no tour of Boca Raton would be complete without experiencing its diverse culinary scene. Today we dine at the Hen and Hog, a standout spot known for its fusion of bold flavors and laid-back atmosphere. Talking about luxury and luxury real estate, this is Pearl City. This neighborhood was built in early 20th century and still consists of traditional historic homes. Some of these homes were rebuilt with new contemporary homes. However, it's an expensive neighborhood located close to downtown, right near the ocean, walking distance to the ocean, and price tag starts from $1 million. So if you have $1 million, that can be your place. Luxurious real estate in Boca Raton comes with its price. I decided to stop by at this open house right behind me, priced at $1.45 million. Let's take a look together. I'd like to show you the interior of this beautiful home. As you can see, it has open concept, and that's what most likely you're going to find in similar homes in the area. We'll see 4 bedrooms, 3 full baths, dedicated office area, updated kitchen, pool. That's the luxurious life that you deserve if you decide to live in Boca Raton.
Boca Raton famous for its excellent educational system. Right behind me is Henderson High School, rated 10 out of 10. Just a little further is Florida Atlantic University, also a famous place to get excellent education. On average, in Boca Raton, you're going to see 9 out of 10 schools. So if you're relocating to Boca with your kids, or your kids planning to go to school soon, this is the place for you.
The current real estate market in Boca Raton reflects its status as a desirable destination. As of October 2024, the median home price sits around $635,000, with luxury properties often exceeding several $1 million. Homes typically spend on average 97 days on the market. Whether you're drawn to the convenience of waterfront living, the convenience of downtown condos, or family-friendly charm of suburban neighborhoods, Boca Raton offers something truly special.
Another huge advantage of living in Boca Raton is having these Boca eyes right around the corner, especially for Floridians who are so tired of the heat and sweat and summer. Going and playing hockey or just ice skating is a wonderful exercise and fun experience for adults and kids. So plan to get yourself skates if you're planning to move to Boca Raton. The pair of skates and 2 hours of side skating is about $30. But if you get yourself your own skates, the price will go significantly down. I hope this video will help you to decide if Boca Raton is the right neighborhood for you. If you're undecided, I still have a series of videos right here that showcase other neighborhoods in South Florida. If you decide to move here and need assistance of professional real estate agent like myself, I'll be happy to assist you with all your real estate needs. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and click the subscribe button so you can get notified when I release new videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next neighborhood.